Perfumiya.
Swiss Army Classic Tester by Swiss Army is a masculine fragrance for men, introduced in 1996 and launched by the design house of Swiss Army in the year 1997. Victorinox Swiss Army Classic has all the qualities of a classic men's fragrance. Classic possesses top notes of yuzu and ginger, a heart of geranium, lavender, and cypress. The base note is lined with amber. The fragrance is classified as fresh and spicy. Perfect for a classic man, Swiss Army Classic is sure to last long. Magnetize your surroundings by shopping your favorite authentic men and women fragrances at Perfumiya. We have the greatest top-selling fragrances at unbeatable prices. Also, shop our Perfumiya wholesale department for the best deals. All our products are authentic name brand. Smell your best for less.
Perfumiya, where you find the largest selection of men's cologne, women's perfume, and kids' fragrances. Perfumiya is a retail and wholesale perfume distributor. Visit us at www.perfumiya.com. Our customer service team is waiting to help you. We will not be beaten on price.